This bottle sculpts your face. So little drop on the back of your hand. Katie, if you do the same.
I'm going to copy, yes, just one drop.
Just like one little drop, a little goes a long way. Then we're going to take our ring finger, this finger here, because it has the lightest touch. Dab it into the water-like consistency. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wow. But look how pretty it's looking already.
You can see it glistens, can't you?
Honestly, that on your cheekbones, blended out, stunning. Then you're going to go down from your pupil and you're going to tap softly and then quick circular motions up to the top of the ear. I'm going to go in a little bit more to create a bit more definition. We're going to create sculpture to our cheekbones in a really natural looking way. So you can see how quickly I did that. Now look at the difference between this and this.
I must say, that's got nice colour to it.
Hasn't it? This has pretty much sculpted my cheekbone in an instant. Look at this, it looks quite meaty. This sculpted.
It's almost like it gives a bounce.
Katie, looks amazing.
Oh, look at the shine on that.
I know, it's like, and it's soft and it's subtle. Really, really pretty. I don't look like I've got loads of blush on. I don't look like I've tried too hard. So imagine on those days when you don't want to wear any makeup, but you just want your skin to have that glow. I'm just gonna move the light. Can you see this?
Blind me.
Can you see it has a glow? It's that makes your cheekbones look higher.
And it's not glittery.
No, it's not glittery. It's just glowing.
If you've got bronzer or like blusher on, can you wear it over the top of that, or would you just wear it on its own?
I would just wear this on its own. The idea of this is they've got 60 seconds to get ready in the morning. Yeah. Dab it on your cheeks. Done.
I'm done. That was just one drop.
Done. Mate.
One drop, both cheeks.
Oh my gosh. But what's more, you can also, ring finger again, look at that glow. Eyelids. Okay, dab it on your eyelid. Perhaps you've got a bit of a hooded eye. Then you're gonna put it on your eyelid and you're gonna blend it upwards and outwards into your socket. Just make sure you keep this bit under your brow here free of product.
Like you're wearing eyeshadow.
I know. And no fancy brushes. Look, you don't even have to worry about blending it. You just wipe it on with your finger. Really natural.
That's
really
just
natural.
A tiny little tap.
And if you want to layer up and get more product on, you can add more.
Yeah, I'm doing more.
It just looks like I'm a pro at eyeshadow. I mean, I know I'm a makeup artist.
I'm not.
You're not, are you, Katie? And literally, your fingers, it's just done. In the morning's done.
How nice is that?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the sheen. Look at the sheen.
So pretty.
Let me show you. A little dab, bit more on the back of my hand. You're wearing a lipstick or no lipstick. Dab over the top. Instantly makes your lips look nudie. So if you've got a lipstick and you're thinking, oh, it's a bit too dark for me, and you want to make your lipstick nudie, tap on nude lipstick instantly.
That's a whole look.
A whole look done with this little bottle. Shake it to wake it. Only available on beautyintheboutique.com. You can buy other colours elsewhere, but this shade Glow has been exclusively created for Beauty in the Boutique. Those no makeup days, or when you just want that bit of oomph to your face.
That's everything, isn't it? Eyes, lips, cheeks.
Done. I will put the link below. Have a little look. See you later. Bye. Bye.